Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you basically how I go about placing my trades with the correct risk management. So I've identified an opportunity in CAD yen, and I've got basically two main entries, but I'm going to place this over 3 trades, okay? And I'm going to show you how I break my risk down. So this is my first entry. This is going to be my second entry. So I'm going to do 1, 2, and then 3 entries. I'm going to break up the percentages appropriately. So let me show you how I do this. So normally, I will normally go with like 1 or 2 entries, but sometimes it makes sense to do 3 entries. And in this case, it does. So I'm just gonna, you won't be able to see my chart, but I'm just going to find the levels that I'm interested in. So I want to buy around 98.34 as my first entries, which is basically just here. This is where the Fibonacci is. I'm going to go just above this Fibonacci there, 98.38, and then I'm going to go with a stop of about 98.11. And then my target is going to be around 99.23.5. So on this particular entry, I am risking basically 1,484 to make 4,845. Okay, I'm going to hit open, and then that order is placed. Now, I want to place 2 more entries. I'm going to start with the next entry, which is 98.04.05 to take into account the spread. So this one would get stopped out, and then I'd be looking for a second entry. Now, I'm just going to look at my chart and identify where the stop. So I want to make sure the stop is nicely below all of this. So I think that should be okay. 97.69-ish. I might even go a bit closer. No, I might go with 67-ish, 68. Yeah, that looks about okay. So that's 97.73. Yeah, I think the second entry is going to be around 97.92. And I was going to keep the same stop for those two probably. So there, yeah, it looks a fairly safe stop. I could just be a bit conservative and go there. Let's see what the reward to risk looks like with this entry here. Well, I actually made a mistake on the first one. I actually need to change this one. My target should be 99.56 on this one. So I'm going to go for a better entry, a bigger target on this one for the worst entry. So 99.56, modify. So now my target is $6,691 for 1,145. So that's a nice reward to risk. And then this one here, I'm going to go with this entry, and I'm going to go for where I just had my take profit, 99.23.5. So this one, yeah, that gives me a decent enough reward to risk on that one. And then I'm going to hit open, and then that one is placed. And then finally, I'm going to do one more, which is going to be 97.92-ish. Same stop there. Okay, and I'm going to go for the same target right there. And this one, I'm risking 1,484 to make 7,818. So let's hit open. Okay, and that's it. That's literally how to do risk management. And I'm basically scaling into the trade. The first entry represents, just a normal move. That's where the daily trading range is. But if the market kind of overextends, then I'm going to look to get in again, and then hopefully catch the move that I'm looking for that I think is going to happen soon. All right, hope that helps, guys. Catch you again soon. Take care.